I'm Dari Franz, and today we're going to create 3D model of a mirror in Blender. The engine will be Cycles. Okay, it's our Blender. Let's delete the cube and create, for example, monkey mesh, and I will do it smaller and move it a little bit aside and color it. For example, into green, very green color. Okay, I think it's good, and I will add one more mesh. Let it be cone. Cone. Do it smaller too. Color it into red color, I think so, yeah. And move it aside too. Now let's add one plane. I'll click on S, bigger, and change the mode to edit, and holding I will create like frame. Okay, and then after choosing face select mode, I'm holding E and a little bit going down with the middle part of my mirror. I think it will be good. Now I'm holding Shift and choosing, selecting my frames, and we'll color them into some, I don't know, color. Let it be, for example, yellow. Okay, good. And now I will choose the middle part and will create, add one more material, and this is the main thing. For this material you have to choose metallic biggest value and the ruthless to do it the smallest one. Okay, and don't forget to click Assign. Okay, now let's go to Render Properties and be sure that Render Agent is Cycles. Okay, that's it, and let us rotate our mirror. It's a little bit bigger. I think it's good. I see. Everything is reflected. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.